Hello everybody, welcome to Sure Shot Archery. Anthony here, and somebody has built a better mousetrap, or in this case, a better biter wrench. And in my opinion, no offense Beiter, but it was kind of overdue. So this little wrench here is by A3D Archery. Their link is in the description of this video. Go check it out. It's a much sturdier wrench than the original Beiter wrench that comes with your Beiter plunger. And once you get it on there, you can just tighten this puppy up. You don't feel the plastic bending. You don't feel the plastic cracking. I have broken so many Beiter wrenches. It's not even funny. I actually think I only have one left, and it's cracked, and I have to like wrap my fingers around it. This one, on the other hand, is as tough as nails. It's pretty unbelievable with just a little bit of change in engineering, and then just I guess how they design this. It's so much sturdier. Some bonuses are, besides the fact that it's actually smaller than the original Beiter one, you got some holes here. You can hook it to a keychain and then hook it to your quiver or whatever. It's a lot more handy to have on you if your plunger happens to come loose. Of course, since this is so strong, you can really make sure that you have it that you have your plunger nice and tight with this tool, because you don't have to worry about it breaking. So, kind of a simple improvement, but again, I think another very necessary improvement. I've noticed this a little bit with A3D Archery. They have a lot of products that solve very simple issues that should have been solved by the main manufacturer, but hey, at least somebody is on it, and kudos to them for making such a great wrench to tighten up your Beiter plunger. Highly recommend. Definitely go and check it out, and check out their Instagram as well. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you being here. Please like and subscribe if you haven't. Let me know other things you want to see in the comments section down below. And other than that, happy shooting. I'll see you guys next time.